So I got this one for $6. I got it from Bargain Depot. It's only $6 for 3 of the Wi-Fi light switches, and it has an easy start guide. So I just did it already. I just followed the steps, turn off my circuit breaker, remove the old one, and then I just did it. It's there, it's installed. Now we're just gonna set up everything. So now I just have to download the app. It's on already, as you can see. So we just have to download and follow the steps. So yeah, let's see. It's connected now and it's linked to my Alexa app. And see this. Alexa, turn on dining lamp.
Okay.
No, that's wrong. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
See?